Starting with a fresh and moisturized face, we're going to start by filling in the brows using Cosette's Infinite Matte Eyeshadow in Dignified and just following the shape of her brows with light strokes. To conceal and carve out the brows, I'm using Senna's Totally Transforming Concealer in Neutral Light. Once the brows are complete, apply the same concealer onto the eyelids. This will act as an eyeshadow primer and is a great base for eyeshadows to apply more easily and be more pigmented. Make sure to set the concealer using a powder, otherwise it'll crease on your eyelid throughout the day. Here I'm setting it with Cosette's Infinite Matte Eyeshadow in Zen. For eyeshadow, I start by blending the shade Empower on the outer corners and working my way to the inner corners, making sure that the colour is distributed across the whole lid. This is the base and transition shade. The next shade is Dignified, and blending that shade on the outer corners to give the eyes more depth. Apply a thin line of OFRA's eyeliner gel in black. This will make the false lashes that we apply later on look very natural and blend in easily with the real lashes. To glam up the look, I go in with LA Splash's Hydro Liquid Highlight in Keshi and apply it, focusing on the inner corners and blending it out to the center of the lid. Curl the lashes, prepping it for mascara using Eye of Horus's Lash Curler. Then I'm going in with GALLANELASHMASCARA Black Mascara and only using one coat. For a more natural look, I cut Danessa Myricks' false lashes in Uplift No. 2 into individuals and applied the longer lashes on the outer corners and the shorter lashes on the inner corners. I lightly bronzed her cheekbones, forehead and nose using Galactic's bronzer in Carbo. I highlighted the high points of her face, such as the cheekbones, brow bones, and inner corners of the eye using OFRA's highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I blended the waterline using the shade Empower, then focused Dignified on the outer corners. Add a light coat of mascara on the bottom lashes, then moving on to the lips, I'm using Danessa's Luxe Cream palette in the Nudist and pairing it with LA Splash's lip gloss in Divinity. This is the natural version of the look and you can keep it as it is, however I further smoked out the edges using the shade Dignified just to intensify the look.